Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit videos in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application and then select the video what you wanna edit. Let's say this one. So we need to click edit at the bottom, and now we can modify it. You can cut this video, you can rotate this video or change the size. You have some preset, you can also use it. We have effects, so you can add some effects here. You can change brightness, tone, white point. So after you finish, let's say that's okay for me, click Save, Copy. Then you need to wait a bit, and we should have two videos, original one and copy. So maybe I will speed up it for you. And now we have this new video, and near to the video we have the original one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.